Cameron,
Do you think?
Cameron, you want to eat?
I think.
Yeah. Cameron.
He doesn't know what to do with it. Is it
Yeah. Cameron.
Come here, buddy.
He's a natural.
He knows.
Oh my gosh.
Good boy.
He knows.
Good boy. Oh, good boy.
More.
You're doing a good job.
Yeah.
You're doing a good job.
All right.
Where is your light?
Excellent.
Huh?
Where is your light?
Why, you can't see?
Well, you know, like it doesn't look too good because of the light behind you in the window.
Oh, I'm sorry, Monty. You okay?
Yum.
Ah,
Yum.
Hi.
Ooh, yum. Yum.
Hi. Baby.
You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job.
Good job. You eat like Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. What do you think? Want some more? Yum. Is that good?
Good boy.
You're doing a good job.